What's up? It's Dallin Dude 1 here, and today I shall be showing you Lego City Flood. Now everybody thinks it is a peaceful day in Lego City, and just so you know, this is me and Lego, yeah. So and if you are not in the resistance, you shall die. Well, if you're a civilian, you won't. The resistance is something I made up, like bad guys, like this guy, he's a bad guy on a motorcycle. His hand got cut off by some weirdo, and there's a combat knife in there, but that weirdo wasn't me. Actually, yeah, he called me a weirdo. He said, I'm freaking not a weirdo, and yeah, whatever. And everybody is just having a normal day. That guy's just laying down in his house. I have no idea why. He threw a banana because he was mad because of his bills. He's not going to have to pay the bills because he will die. He's the resistance. Bad guy, citizen. Yeah. And I don't know if you could see that way over there, but you will be able to as soon as it crashes in this video. That's the resistance airship thingy. That was just to show you how I'm to, well, the beginning. Anyway, everybody thinks it is a normal, peaceful day in Lego City. Yeah. Until the flood happened. The Lego City flood. Lego City! Oh my gosh! Stupid flies! Banana! Oh my gosh! OMGG! This is my mom's iPhone that I am using to make this video. In fact, I only use my mom's iPhone to make all the videos that I have ever made. That's why the screen is always so rectangular. This guy's gonna die. I better call headquarters. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, Dallin, what's up? Yeah. I'm in Lego City right now. There's a freaking flood. Okay, we're coming. Hey, get on there. No! Wait, is that better not be Mike flying? Oh, crud, it is Mike flying. We're gonna die! No! Well, that was not useful. Wow. Oh my gosh! When is this flood? When is the water gonna stop flowing? Banana! Grenade! Oh gosh, no, not the grenade. Oh gosh, bang! Oh gosh. Don't go. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, this is my mom's iPhone, as I said before. Here's my car. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you could see my gigantic hand. This person is sorry. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. The water is still running. I better turn it off. This is my cat, Lucy. Later. Oh look, the flood is going out. Yay, we're gonna be saved. And eventually they got out of the flood. The end.